Today I will tell you how can you open your tab. So these are the two tabs. On the left hand side we have the hot one. Always on the left hand side will be the hot one. On the right hand side will be the cold one. Always on the right hand side will be the cold one. So you just have to rotate it to the right hand side. See, the water start coming. So this is the hot side tab. On the right hand side rotating, it will be open. On the left side rotating, it will be closed. Same as like on cold side. On the right hand side open. On the left hand side close. For more videos, like my channel and subscribe Daily Hacks. Bye bye.